Hey everybody, Max with A1 Website Pro, and today we're going to be talking about this little app that I created. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but I hit the big 50 last year and I've accumulated a lot of stuff over the years. And a lot of times I know I'll have something and I'll have to buy it twice. And so that was getting really frustrating for me. And I went online and I was looking for all these different apps and stuff like that. And just nothing had something very simple so that I could just enter my stuff in and very easily, quickly, and then be able to find it later. One of my solutions is I got a bunch of bins. I'm like, oh yeah, I'll just put it all in bins. So I put it all in these bins, and what happened was I didn't know what was in the bins, so it became very frustrating to me. And I want to show you what I did to help myself. And then I thought, hell, I'll just make this app so anybody could log in and use it. Because I'm sure that there's other people like me wanting to keep track of stuff and they want to find stuff. So basically, there's just three easy steps. You create an account, you enter your inventory, and then you find your items instantly. Like so, for example, if I wanted to find my drill, where I put my drill, I just hit search, and you can see here I have my Sears Craftsman cordless drill, I have a hammer drill, and a quick bit change drill. And if you click on that and look at it, you can see the location where it's at. If I put it in a bin, the condition, the value of it, $150, and there's one of them. And so here you can see here's my quick bit change. And then you could actually page through your items too. Here's the next item is keyboard. If you go to previous items, you could find these items very quickly. And right here, you can see how many items you've entered and how much they're all worth. So I have these antique plates, okay? And these antique dinner plates. Now you notice I have 12 of them entered here, and they're $35 a piece. So totals $420 for the antique uh, dinner plates. So it calculates that, multiplies the numbers too. This is good for, people that have had fires, know how valuable this is, and just time saving. It might take you a few seconds to enter an item, but sometimes when you're going to look for that item later, it could take you hours, days. So I thought to myself, well, wouldn't this be a great thing just to send out to all my subscribers and my friends and my family? And so that's what I ended up doing. It's real easy, it's fast, it's quick, and it's 100% free. So anybody's free to use this. Now, I will tell you one thing. Whenever you go to add an item, like we'll enter a test item here, just pens. We'll make the value at $5. Quantity 1. Location, maybe we'll put it in a basement. Bid number 2. And then you can put a description, your make, model, color, material, and then the conditions if it's used like new, fair, or poor. And right here, notice this picture. A lot of people are using this on their cell phones. Now, this is cross-browser compatible and it's cross-device compatible, which means you could use it on an iPhone, an Android, computer, tablet. It doesn't really matter because the way this is structured. So as long as you have an internet connection, you can use this app, okay? Now, whenever you're on your cell phone and you get ready to upload a picture, when you click this choose file, it'll bring up your camera, or you can select files. But the smartphones and devices, they take very large pictures. Some of them are like 4 or 5 megabytes, right? And so we have to shrink those down in order to keep costs down on the server. And so what you do is you'll click choose file, and we'll just choose let me go to my pictures, and we'll grab one of my kids here, my sons, okay? And you click add item, and it's a relatively big item. It's like 5 megabytes, so it may take up to 30 seconds to upload an item, okay, if the picture's real big. But now if you want to search for what you uploaded, just type pens, hit enter, and there it is, basement bin 2. Okay, and then there they are. All right, so this item's resized. It was originally 5 megabytes. Now it's like 72 kilobytes. The other thing too is that when you click inventory, you could just start paging through your inventory. See what's all there. It's really quick, as you can see, and it's just as fast on your phone. And then whenever if you need to edit an item, you just go to the item. We'll just go to the pens item, and let's say, well, that's not pens. That's something else. Maybe it's cigars. Okay, and then you can edit the price, and maybe they're $20 a piece, and maybe there's 100 of them, and located in the basement. And so then you just go down here, click edit item. The item's been edited, and search for cigars, just like that. There it is, nice and quick. And there you go. So it's very easy to do. You can see that this calculated the value. And when you're ready to delete an item, just go to it, hit delete. And it not only deletes the entries, but it deletes the image too that was in the uploads folder. That keeps everything quick and fast for everybody. And I just thought that it would be nice for all my subscribers to have this. And if you want to go over the features, it's an instant free account, instantly add items. There's no premium or anything like that. You can instantly find your items, instantly edit them, instantly see the values, instantly delete. There's nothing to download, works on all devices. It's 100% free. You can do unlimited items, and this is also secure and encrypted. You can see we have an SSL. Nobody else can see your stuff, and that's security is a big, deal here at A1 Website Pro. But whenever you're ready, just go ahead, create an account. If you need to change your password, you could change your password. I'll click log out so you could see how the menu changes as well. You notice we have login, sign up, and lost password. So if you lose your password, it'll send you, you just put in your email, click reset password, and it'll send you a password. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Now, for you programmers out there, I have another video uploaded. It's 4 hours long, and it shows you how I programmed this all. And I'll be making that live on the site in the description below. I'm not going to make it live on YouTube because, it's going to be live on YouTube, but it's going to be an unlisted item. I believe I'm going to do that. But anyway, I will talk to you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and I hope you get a lot of use out of this app. All right. Bye-bye.